Radio Labos. Good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon.
On behalf of Governor Boboy Lamor and on behalf of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Sorsogon, wherein I am the chairman of the Committee on Tourism, I would really like to thank first the presence of our local government units, local government officials that are here, especially ang tawag namin sa kanya, sexy, maganda, kasi namin Congresswoman Dennis Cordero, and another dynamic is Congressman Bobo Cortez. And I really would like to thank our TPB for bringing you over. Tama, asang kaganda. Ito yung ating mga tour operators, mga travel agencies, and then we have our bloggers, our influencers, at the same time, kaya may my friends since then, ha? Alam po niyo, tama yung sinasabi nila, I was so amazed of the testimony of each local government official, especially our executive, because we actually started moving out during the time of Governor Escudero. At the height of pandemic, that was the time when we invested on infrastructure. Sabi ni Governor Chis that time, wala namang mobility. So ito na yung pinakamagandang paraan para lahat ng infrastructure gawin natin. So siguro nakita niyo po, maski po yung aming highway, pinagmamalaki natin yun. Nakikita niyo siguro isa sa pinakamagandang highway sa buong Pilipinas ay walang iba, ang Sorsogon po. Tama? And then, we also invested on connectivity. So, makikita nyo, alam ko yung mga tour operators, kayo po yung nagsisell ng product. Yung Don Picasso na ginawa ko, that is actually under the Department of Tourism at the time, Lungsod, Pilar, Castilla, Sorsogon City, na dinadagdagan namin ng isang map. That is Magallanes. So, Don Picasso, dito po ang connectivity or circuit na gagawin ng mga tour operators. So, and another circuit is actually Matnog. Hindi pa rin napupuntan yun. When you talk about Pink Beach, pinagmamalaki natin ang Matnog, the Subic Bay. Matnog, Santa Magdalena, and Bulusan, ito po yung isang circuit. And then another circuit ay yung Matnog, Bulan, Magallanes. And the rest, ito po yung sinasabi natin spoke. Siguro, since all of you are tourism advocates, alam niyo kung ano yung hub ni spoke. Tama? Ang pinaka-hub namin dito is another Sorsogon City. Ano po? Oh. So, yung spoke, ito yung mga hindi ko nabanggit, but in fairness with Governor, kahit sinasabi namin that the very icon of Sorsogon is Lungsod, Bulusan, and Matnog. Pero ang ginawa niya po ngayon, we invested on product. Kaya makikita niyo po ngayon, ginagawa na ngayon yung 8 municipalities na talagang ginagawa na yung improvement in development of tourism. We also invested on strategic alliance. Kaya siguro pag kami ay nakabangon na, yung strategic alliance ng Albay, Masbate, Sorsogon, that is actually Amazor, meron na po kami memorandum of agreement with Albay, and at the same time, memorandum of agreement with Masbate. And one of the areas of cooperation is to strengthen tourism. Yan po, no? So, but we invest in nature. Pinagmamalaki namin that we are the Sorsogon is actually the eco-tourism capital of Bicolania. Naniniwala po kayo niya? Saan kayo nakakita ng botanic? It's only in Sorsogon. Firefly, there are only 3 areas in the Philippines na merong firefly. That's only Palawan, Bohol, and Luzon. But, ang nanalo pong best ecotourism product on fireflies is none other than Luzon. So, yan po talaga kami ang tinaturi ang ecotourism capital of Bicolania. But the last thing is we invested on people. Thanks to the Department of Tourism, ang kanilang FPSE, no? The Philippine Brand of Service Excellence, talagang patuloy nilang ginagawa. Because at the end of the day, no matter how attractive the destination is, kung yung mga tao ay hindi walang sense of belonging and sense of ownership of what they have, of their own endowments, wala pong mangyayari. Kaya, palakpakan po natin. So, we really behalf of the provincial government to our tour operators and to our media. Kayo po ang buhay ng tourism. Palakpakan niyo pa, salamat. And to our tour operators, kayo po yung mag-share. Kaya mas maganda kanina, narinig niyo po lahat yung mga sinasabi ng ating mga mayors para malaman niyo kung ano talaga ang andito sa inyo. Siguro sabihin natin, tourist ready. Ang pinakamaganda is ang aming local government units, our local government officials are ready for this. Our human capital, our service provider, talagang sila ay nag-level up with the support of our local government officials and lalo-lalo na with the support of our provincial government. So I hope you're gonna have your enjoyable stay. I know tomorrow you are going to go to Bulusan. Tama? Ang Bulusan hindi niya sinabi, UNDP award niyo po ang Bulusan. Yun yung nagsabi. Yan po yung mga awards other than Pilipinas. Sana pagbalik po nyo, the writers can actually write something really nice and beautiful so you can encourage people to visit also. And for our tour operators, you can have your B2B anytime. So, good luck. Kayo po ang pagkasa namin. The tour package you have to be spent. So, salamat po. Maraming salamat. And good luck.
Maraming salamat.